Ever since buying my first electric vehicle 8 years ago, I've wanted to get solar panels and a home battery, but nothing has caught my eye until now. Today, I'm excited to show you the sponsor of today's video, the brand new Anker SOLIX E10 whole home backup system, which is unlike anything I've ever seen. Now, if you've followed me for a while now, you know that I live in Kentucky, and one of the best things about living here is not only the fried chicken and fast horses, but I mainly love the extremely cheap electricity of 10 cents per kilowatt hour. However, the nasty thunderstorms and ice storms are among the worst things, so I'm always looking for ways to maximize my savings while also having sufficient backup power. And I think the best way to describe the Anker SOLIX E10 is that it's basically like turning your house into a hybrid car because it can intelligently switch between power sources for maximum efficiency. Let me explain this in more detail. This is the world's first smart hybrid whole home backup system that combines battery storage, solar input, and a fuel powered generator into one seamless ecosystem. It's essentially made up of three parts. First is the E10, composed of the power module and battery. Next are the two power switch options, the automatic power dock or the manual smart inlet box. And finally, there's the Smart Generator 5500 for backup power. First, the power module is surprisingly compact for a whole home backup system. Each module is NEMA 4 rated, which means they're completely weatherproof, designed to handle extreme temperatures, rain, snow, and even hurricane level conditions. They can operate from -4 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 131 degrees. Now, this is the battery expansion model, and each one adds to your total capacity and they stack together with secure connectors. Everything uses plug-and-play connections, so you can expand your system without an electrician. The next is the power dock, and that's basically the brain of the system. It can manage a 200 amp grid connection while handling the instant switchover during outages, and it controls all your power sources. It features 12 circuit intelligent load management, storm guard mode, and compatibility with solar panels and generators. And finally, there's the Tri-Fuel Smart Generator 5500 that can run on gasoline, propane, or natural gas. But what makes it really special is the DC output that charges the battery at 5 times the efficiency of a traditional generator. It's NEMA 3R rated for outdoor use and has smart features like automatic maintenance reminders and app control. And best of all, this whole system is completely customizable to your needs. You can simply start with a single 6 kilowatt hour battery module, or you can choose to expand it all the way up to 90 kilowatt hours, and that's with 3 power modules and 15 batteries. That's enough to power my entire house for days. Now, this system can also handle up to 27 kilowatts of solar input across 3 units, and here is the game changer. It has built-in DC range extended technology that works with their smart generator. This gives you what they're calling infinite backup power because you're combining battery, solar, and fuel power to handle 99% of typical US outages. Now, let me walk you through 6 key points of this system, and then I'll dive deep into 2 of them that really matter for an EV owner like me who is considering getting solar. First, more power and control. This system can deliver up to 10 kilowatts for 90 consecutive minutes in turbo mode. Now, that's a huge benefit because there are times throughout the day, such as during dinner, when a home uses a lot of power in short bursts, and the Anker SOLIX E10 handles these situations with ease. It connects to your 200 amp main panel for whole home coverage, and while just one unit plus 2 batteries can handle 155 LRA, which is enough to start a 5-ton AC, a 2-unit system can handle 275 LRA, and that's enough to start a 5-ton and a 3-ton AC at the same time. Now, this strikes the perfect balance between peak performance and practical daily usage. Now, second is more runtime, and this is where expandable batteries, solar capability, and fuel efficiency come together. And we'll dive into this one in a minute. Third is more comfort. This system instantaneously switches to backup in under 20 milliseconds. The smart generator has auto start and stop, self-tests, and maintenance reminders. And fourth, smarter power. Storm Guard mode monitors weather forecasts and detects when an outage is likely, automatically switching to full charge mode before the storm hits, so you're always starting at 100% capacity. Fifth, safer by design. This is the first compact home energy storage system certified to both UL 9540 and UL 9540A standards. It's built with NEMA 4 protection to handle extreme weather and disasters. And sixth is smarter savings. With solar integration and time of use optimization, you can slash your power bills through active daily use. and we'll break down exactly how this works in just a bit. Now let's talk more about the runtime capabilities because this is where the system truly separates itself. Traditional battery systems have one major drawback. Once the battery is depleted, you're done until the sun comes out or the grid comes back. Solar helps, but on cloudy days or during winter storms, you might only get a trickle charge, and you end up rationing power just trying to make it last. Well, the Anker SOLIX E10 hybrid approach eliminates this anxiety. The expandable battery system is truly plug and play with no need to hire an electrician. Each module adds capacity to handle everything from brief outages to week-long blackouts. It also has massive solar capabilities supporting up to 9 kilowatts of solar input through dual controllers that accept 30 to 450 volts. And with 3 units installed, that's 27 kilowatts total, enough to run up to 18 solar panels. And even on cloudy days, you're continuously recharging while simultaneously powering your home. But the hybrid fuel backup is the key. When battery levels drop and solar is not enough, the tri-fuel smart generator automatically kicks in, and instead of running your entire house directly like a traditional generator, which is loud, inefficient, and burns through fuel fast, this smart generator has DC direct charging, so there's no AC-DC conversion loss. It runs at a steady optimal rate. Now, the generator runs when needed, efficiently charging the battery, then shuts off. The battery handles all the actual home loads silently, so you get the benefits of fuel-powered extended runtime without the constant noise and exhaust of a traditional generator. And a maxed-out system consisting of 3 power modules, 15 batteries, and 50 pounds of propane can deliver up to 140 kilowatt hours of sustained backup capacity. We're talking over a week of whole home power depending on your usage, all while prioritizing clean energy and minimizing fuel consumption. Now let's talk about smarter savings. Anker SOLIX claims you can cut power bills by up to 80% with active daily use. Let's see exactly how this works. First, solar self-consumption. The system uses AC coupled integration, which means your solar panels and grid power work together to run your whole home. Your appliances automatically use low-cost solar power first during the day, then any surplus solar generation gets stored in the battery. This maximizes your solar utilization and reduces grid reliance. The second is time of use optimization. If you're on a time of use rate plan, which means the price you pay for energy depends on when the energy is being used, it gets even better. The system automatically charges the battery when electricity rates are lowest, usually overnight during off-peak hours. Then it powers your home from the battery during peak rate periods when electricity is most expensive. For EV owners like me, this is particularly useful because I can charge my car during the day with solar power or charge from the battery that was filled with cheap overnight electricity. And even if you don't have solar yet, the battery itself provides savings through smart charging and discharging automatically by optimizing around the time of use pricing continuously with no manual input. Third is flexible control options. If you want the fully automatic experience with Storm Guard mode and instant backup, go with the Power Dock, which features automatic load management that prioritizes critical appliances during outages like your fridge or HVAC, while also throttling non-essential loads to extend runtime when it matters most. However, if you want similar savings but in a more accessible package, the Smart Inlet Box gives you manual whole home backup on a smaller budget. So the Anker SOLIX E10 is not just a backup system that sits idle. It's actively working every day to reduce your energy costs, whether through solar generation, smart charging and discharging, or time of use arbitrage. The backup capability is almost a bonus on top of the savings. Plus, everything is controlled through their mobile app with real-time monitoring of power flow, battery levels, solar generation, and generator status. So is the Anker SOLIX E10 truly the future of home energy? It's hard to say otherwise because it's not just a dumb generator that runs constantly burning fuel, and it's not just a battery that runs out. It's an intelligent whole home backup system that seamlessly manages multiple power sources to give you extended runtime with maximum efficiency and minimum waste. If you're interested in getting this for your own home, I have great news. Official pre-orders start January 12th, and during the pre-order stage for just $10, you'll receive a $500 voucher. Plus, every pre-order includes a solar and accessories pack that's worth $1,399 with a solar panel, AC adapter, and metal pad. Also, you'll get a 3-year extended warranty for 8 years total coverage, collector's gifts worth $299, including limited edition house blocks and a Troy Aikman co-branded box, plus 0% APR financing for 18 months. And on top of all that, if you use my link in the description, you'll get an extra $100 gift card. Plus, I'm giving away 3 complete gift sets to lucky commenters. Just drop a comment down below letting me know why your house needs an Anker SOLIX E10. Click the link in the description to find out more. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more tech videos like this in the future. My name is Andy. I'll talk to you in the next one.